For most of Chinese Mandarin learners, the process of learning tones is a struggle. Most of the time, the reason you can't pronounce is you can't hear properly. For any types of language, the ability of speaking is closely related to the quantity of listening and reading loudly. In this brand new album, I will post a series of dictation videos. Each of them has 10 words and 2 sentences, which helps you effectively practice tones. I'm your Chinese tutor, Nicole. I'm sharing the content of Chinese learning here every week, and occasionally share Chinese recipes for you to make at home. It would be great if you could subscribe my channel and turn on the little bell. I'm going to use 3 minutes to show you how to use these dictation videos. Step 1. Word part. I will read the 10 words together once, which you can note down the tones firstly, and then I will read each word twice. You can check your notes of the tones and try to write down the pinyin. Step 2. Sentences part. I will read each sentence 3 times, the first time at moderate speed, then slower, and then moderate speed for the 3rd time again. These words and sentences generally come from the Chinese version of Peppa Pig, Harry Potter, and so on, and may also come from some Chinese textbooks such as HSK and YCT. Step 3. After dictation of all the words and sentences, I will begin to announce all the answers and explain some pronunciation when necessary. Step 4 is actually the most important part. After you finish off the dictation and check the answers, read the words and sentences loudly against my pronunciation, which will help you to pronounce them rapidly. I believe that if you keep practicing with me by these 4 steps, you will have a tremendous improvement in your Chinese pronunciation. Meanwhile, you will also accumulate enough words. Win-win, right? Okay, are you ready? Let's go to the dictation albums by checking here.